walk about New York, see what's up. Alright, so we're walking through the street here. It have a nice church. It's on Broadway right now, and this is the church that we'll be seeing from the hotel. It's a really tall church.
Well, this is the church right behind us, and that's a church that I will want to go into sometime in the job. Don't do it.
Alright, so we're walking to go and get something to eat. Saw a Subway, so probably go and get something. Alright, so we're on 5th Avenue and we're going to take a quick cross before these lovely buses. So walking up and down the street heading to Adorama, and didn't even realize when I taped the store early on, it's the Harry Potter store. So yeah, big fan of Harry Potter, so you know we must go in.
So we just came out of Whole Foods. I had the beef chili and quinoa salad. It was awesome. But it's like -2 degrees, so I gotta get out of here now. I'm gonna take the subway and we're gonna go to the Summit Vanderbilt building, and you get some amazing views there in the skyscraper.
Alright, so we're going down into the subway.
It's like spooky under here.
Let me get my card. So you have one of these, and basically just swipe it. We go all the way through, and now we're here. Super bright, like you can get some shades for free if you don't have sunglasses. I didn't walk with any and I didn't take any. I didn't think it would be that bad, but it's super bright, so you gotta see this, right? Definitely recommend if you're coming to the summit, walk with sunglasses, you'll need it.
Oh, so we just purchased 2 iced lattes, and they actually make
Alright.
So I'm having cotton candy clouds in the clouds.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are waiting online. We just got number 21. So while we're doing that, we're just checking out the store. Alright, so we just finished the summit experience. I would say that we had a really good time. So to end things off, we went and we collected our photos, we paid for it, we're gonna get a nice album to recollect this experience. And yeah, so go check it out. So one thing about New York is in street food, you're gonna see them all over. It's like little food carts and they have like hot dogs, you have kebabs and they're open like 24 hours. And that's pretty much the street food that you get out here. Right, so we are in Times Square and everybody knows that Times Square is known for all of these big screens, these flashing screens, flashing lights, a lot of action here. So yeah, check it out.
Such a busy place. So, like where Krispy Kreme is, just building hot rock. So if you're ever in New York,
I hope they do that.
this is a big scam. Do not ever go by these characters. These characters, they come and make you think you're taking a picture for free, and then they hustle you, they want to fight you to make you pay for everyone. They just hustle the family.
Call only.
Yeah.